Welcome back to Camera Lab, where I test cameras the way real creators actually use them. Today I'm breaking down the top 11 best camera for low-light photography, focusing on performance, reliability, and real value for your money. If you shoot at night, indoors, or in challenging lighting, this list is for you. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump in and find your next low-light champion.
Lumix S5 II full-frame camera. Panasonic's Lumix S5 II is a low-light powerhouse that brilliantly combines stills and video prowess. Its 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor is fantastic, but the real magic is its phase hybrid autofocus upgrade, which locks onto subjects in near darkness with shocking reliability. The in-body image stabilization, or IBIS, is among the best, letting you hand-hold slow shutter speeds without a tripod. For video shooters, its unlimited recording and superb high ISO performance are huge wins. The body is also weather-sealed, making it a dependable companion for any condition. If you need a do-it-all mirrorless that won't falter when the lights go down, this is a top-tier choice.
Nikon Z5 full-frame camera. The Nikon Z5 is the ultimate entry point into full-frame low-light photography. Don't let the entry-level tag fool you. Its 24.3 megapixel sensor delivers exceptionally clean images at high ISOs, managing noise beautifully. It features dual card slots and a robust, comfortable build that feels premium. The in-body image stabilization helps you get sharp shots, and the Z-mount lenses are optically spectacular. While its burst shooting speed is modest, for portraits, landscapes, or astrophotography, it's a stunning performer. For photographers wanting that significant low-light sensor upgrade without breaking the bank, the Z5 offers incredible value and image quality that punches well above its weight class.
Canon EOS R mirrorless camera. The Canon EOS R was the pioneer of Canon's RF mirrorless system and remains a formidable low-light contender. Its trusted 30.3 megapixel full-frame sensor produces rich, detailed files with excellent dynamic range, allowing you to lift shadows in post-production with minimal noise. The dual-pixel CMOS AF is fast and accurate, even in challenging light. The unique multi-function bar takes some getting used to, but can be customized for quick settings changes. With a vast, growing ecosystem of superb RF lenses, this camera is a fantastic foundation for a professional system. It's a reliable workhorse for photographers who need consistent performance from bright sun to moody twilight. Sony Alpha 7R camera. The Sony Alpha 7R series is known for high resolution, but it also performs surprisingly well in low light. I've used it in night photography where detail really matters and the results are impressive. The sensor captures a huge amount of information, allowing flexibility in post-processing even at higher ISO levels. Autofocus works well in dim conditions, especially with stationary subjects. The dynamic range is excellent, preserving highlights and shadows in challenging lighting. The body is compact for a full-frame camera, making it easier to carry for nighttime shoots. While file sizes are large, the image quality payoff is worth it. For photographers who want maximum detail without sacrificing low-light capability, this camera stands out. Canon R6 II Mirrorless camera. The Canon R6 II is one of the strongest low-light performers I've personally used. Its full-frame sensor handles high ISO incredibly well, delivering clean images with minimal noise. Autofocus is fast and extremely reliable, even in near darkness, which is perfect for events and wildlife at dusk. The in-body stabilization allows handheld shooting at slower shutter speeds without sacrificing sharpness. Burst performance is excellent, making it versatile beyond low-light scenarios. The camera feels responsive and refined, with intuitive controls that work well in dark environments. Video performance in low light is also outstanding. If low-light photography is a top priority and you want a camera that feels effortless to use, the R6 II is hard to beat. Sony Alpha 6700 APS-C camera. The Sony Alpha 6700 proves that APS-C cameras can still perform well in low light. I've been impressed by how clean the images remain at higher ISO levels for its sensor size. Autofocus is fast, accurate, and reliable in dim conditions, which is great for both photo and video. The compact body makes it easy to carry for night street photography or travel. Image stabilization helps reduce blur when shooting handheld in poor lighting. Video shooters will appreciate its strong low-light video performance and advanced features. While it can't fully match full-frame cameras, it delivers excellent results for its class. For creators wanting portability with solid low-light capability, this camera offers great value.
Nikon Z6 II Mirrorless. The Nikon Z6 II is a dependable low-light workhorse that I trust for challenging conditions. Its full-frame sensor delivers clean images with pleasing colors at high ISO settings. Autofocus performance in low light is improved over earlier models, making it reliable for events and indoor shooting. Dual processors help maintain speed and responsiveness even in demanding situations. The camera feels solid and well-balanced, which matters during long night shoots. Image stabilization allows for slower shutter speeds without sacrificing sharpness. Video performance in low light is also strong and consistent. Overall, the Z6 II offers a great balance of performance, durability, and image quality for photographers who frequently shoot in dim environments.
Sony ZV-E1 Full Frame. The Sony ZV-E1 is a compact full-frame camera that really shines in low light, especially for video creators. I love how clean the footage looks, even when lighting conditions are far from ideal. The sensor handles high ISO extremely well, keeping noise minimal. Autofocus is outstanding in dark environments, tracking subjects smoothly and accurately. Built-in stabilization helps keep handheld shots steady at night. Despite its small size, the camera feels powerful and capable. It's easy to carry, making it perfect for low-light travel shooting. While it's video-focused, still photography performance is also impressive. If you want excellent low-light performance in a lightweight body, this camera delivers big results.
Olympus EM10 Mark IV. The Olympus EM10 Mark IV may use a smaller sensor, but it still performs well in low light for its class. I've found its image stabilization extremely helpful when shooting handheld at night. The camera produces pleasing colors and respectable detail at moderate ISO levels. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry for evening walks or travel photography. Autofocus is reliable for everyday low-light situations, especially with static subjects. The controls are simple and user-friendly, which helps when shooting in the dark. While it won't match full-frame cameras, it's a solid choice for beginners or casual shooters who want capable low-light performance in a small, affordable package.
Fujifilm X-T5 Mirrorless Camera. The Fujifilm X-T5 offers impressive low-light performance with beautiful color rendering. I really enjoy Fujifilm's film simulations, which look fantastic in night scenes and indoor lighting. The APS-C sensor handles high ISO better than expected, keeping images clean and detailed. Autofocus performs well in dim conditions, especially with updated subject detection. The body feels solid and weather-resistant, which adds confidence during nighttime shoots. Image stabilization helps maintain sharpness when shooting handheld. Controls are tactile and intuitive, perfect for photographers who like manual adjustments. If you want strong low-light performance combined with unique color science and a classic shooting experience, the X-T5 is a very appealing option.
Canon Full-Frame DSLR. A Canon full-frame DSLR still holds its own for low-light photography, especially for photographers who prefer optical viewfinders. I've always appreciated the reliable performance and consistent image quality in dark conditions. High ISO handling is solid, producing usable images with good detail. Autofocus performs well in low light, particularly with center focus points. The camera body feels durable and well-balanced, ideal for long shooting sessions. Battery life is excellent, which is helpful for extended night shoots. While mirrorless cameras dominate today, this DSLR remains a dependable tool. If you value proven technology, strong low-light performance, and traditional handling, a Canon full-frame DSLR is still a worthy choice. That's my complete breakdown of the best cameras for low-light photography right now. Each option here brings something unique, whether you prioritize clean, high ISO performance, fast autofocus, or portability. Choosing the right camera depends on how and where you shoot, but any of these can deliver excellent results in challenging lighting. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, give it a like and share it with someone who loves photography. Subscribe to Camera Lab for more honest gear reviews and practical advice. Let me know in the comments which camera you're considering, and I'll see you in the next review.